Welcome to Built by Maze. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Milwaukee PACKOUT Structured Backpack, and I'm going to see if this was the right purchase for my needs as a DIYer and property owner. I've been using a Tough Built 12-inch tote and a 20-inch tool bag for a while now, and they've been great, especially with the ClipTech pouch system integrated with them. But when I'm traveling to different properties for maintenance and repairs, they're starting to feel bulky and heavy. And I've been thinking about switching to a tool backpack, but Tough Built's backpack doesn't support ClipTech, and nothing really caught my attention except the Vito Pro Pack. The problem is, Vito backpacks are pretty expensive. The Milwaukee PACKOUT Structured Backpack, however, offers a similar layout and build quality, and I was able to get it at a good deal, which justified my purchase. The backpack is part of the PACKOUT modular storage system, so it locks in with other PACKOUT boxes and lets you build your setup however you want. The backpack is made with heavy-duty ballistic materials that resist tearing and keeps its shape over time. It has a reinforced design. It can hold up to 50 pounds without sagging. On the bottom, there's an impact-resistant molded base that clicks right into your PACKOUT system. All the hardware is metal, the zippers are YKK, and it feels solid all around. Storage is another strong point. There are 42 pockets to organize tools, batteries, and accessories. The padded shoulder straps make it comfortable to carry, and it even has a metal tape clip for quick access. Like others have pointed out, my only real concern is that the weight seems to be carried mostly by the zippers. Vito Pro Pack does this better by using a latch load distribution system that ties into the top handle, taking stress off the zippers. Overall, this is a durable, versatile backpack that's clearly designed for pros who need a reliable way to carry and organize their gear. For me, the PACKOUT Structured Backpack is the perfect mix of durability and convenience. It's built tough for the job site, but still easy to use for DIY projects. Being able to throw it on my back frees up my hands and makes carrying supplies way easier. And if you're a homeowner who wants organized tools that are always ready, this is a great upgrade. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next project.